好，咁大家咧已經 download 咗喺生仔秘笈嗰份筆記啦。咁而家咧就快手講一講咧人類性別決定嘅一啲重點啦。咁啊，之前都講過啦，頭嗰22對嘅染色體咧就係叫體染色體或者叫常染色體啦。第23對嘅染色體咧就係性染色體，就控制一個人嘅性別嘅。咁我哋有兩類型嘅性染色體啦 ，X 同埋 Y 嘅染色體啦。正常情況下，佢哋有兩款嘅配搭嘅 ，XY 嘅配搭係男性。XX 嘅配搭係女性，而個重點就係一句説話嘅啫，有 Y 便是男啦。咁啊，因為 Y 染色體咧，佢有唔同類型嘅基因啦，就控制翻一個未被分化嘅 gonad。咩叫 gonad 咧？就係叫生殖器。咁我會令到啦，未被分化嘅生殖器咧，就會變成睾丸啦。而冇咗呢啲基因嘅話咧，個未分化嘅生殖器咧就會變成卵巢，亦即係話嗰個人咧會變成女性啦。佢就問翻啦 A to F 嘅呢個家庭啦，佢連續生咗4個都係仔啦。咁題目就問啦，咁其實呢對夫婦理論上生到仔嘅機會係幾多咧？嗱，留意下係講理論上，唔係話齋睇而家結果，話齋睇而家嘅結果咧就梗係100% 啦。但係理論上佢哋生到仔嘅機會其實只係50%，係一半一半。要講50%咧係好容易嘅啫。但係點解係50% 咧？喺唔俾你利用基因遺傳圖嘅情況底下，你點樣用文字去解釋咧？你就可以用翻4步成詩去理解啦。先去理解下阿爸阿媽嘅表現型，再理解下佢哋嘅基因型，再睇下佢哋產生乜嘢嘅配子啦。阿媽咧，佢係女性，佢嘅染色體嘅配搭係 XX， 所以佢產生嘅卵子咧，必然就只係有 X 嘅染色體啦，但係老豆咧就唔同啦，佢嘅性染色體嘅配搭係 XY， 亦即係佢產生嘅精子咧，一係就係有 X 嘅染色體，一係就係有 Y 嘅染色體啦。而點解會係有一半嘅機會生男，一半嘅機會生女啊？係因為啦，擁有 X 染色體嘅精子同擁有 Y 染色體嘅精子係同等嘅數量，所以啦，呢兩款嘅精子有同等嘅機會率去同呢個卵子進行受精作用，從而咧就有同等機會生到仔或者生到女啦。跟住啦就去到 Part B 啦。A 呢個學生就講啦，呢對夫婦生到第5個都係仔嘅機會咧，都仍然係50%。但係阿 B 就唔係咁同意啦，佢話佢已經生咗4個都係仔啦，仲喺度諗追個女。追唔到噶啦，生嘅下一胎咧都接近100% 咧係生仔噶啦。究竟邊個啱邊個錯，有咩解釋咧？答案咧都好明顯噶啦。根據翻 Part A 咧，梗係 A 係啱啦。咁啊，因為啦，理論上生仔同生女嘅機會係50%，而呢個機率係唔關頭一胎事嘅。根據翻數學嘅概念咧，我哋可以形容為生下一胎同生前嗰幾胎咧，佢係獨立嘅事件嚟嘅，亦即係好似擲公子一樣，擲咗4鋪都係公，唔代表第5鋪仍然都係公，下一鋪仍然有一半嘅機會係擲到字嘅。但係你又可唔可以講擲咗頭4鋪都係公，第5鋪就必然係擲個字咧？都唔得。同樣地呢個情況，生咗4個都係仔，第5個係咪一定係女咧？你又噏唔出。第5個係咪一定係仔咧？你都噏唔出。咁啊，因為得一半嘅機會係仔，亦都得一半嘅機會係生到女啦。而呢幅圖咧就係基因遺傳圖啦。如果題目容許你畫嘅，就係咁樣畫啦。阿爸有 XY 染色體，阿媽係2個 X 嘅染色體，所產生出嚟嘅配子咧，一半就有 X 嘅染色體，一半就有 Y 嘅染色體。阿媽咧就係全部都係有 X 嘅染色體。而生出嚟嘅小朋友咧就有50% 係女，亦都有50% 係仔。I think you have already downloaded the worksheet about the sex determination in last video. So let's have a very brief summary for this chapter, and then let's talk about the questions. So for the chromosome pair 1 to 22nd, they are the autosome to carry the body characteristic. And for the 23rd pair chromosome, they are the sex chromosome. There are 2 types of sex chromosome, X and Y chromosome. There are 2 normal combination, XY as the male chromosome set, and for the XX they are the female chromosome set. And the main idea is that the presence of Y chromosome will make a human male. It's because the Y chromosome carries several genes controlling the undifferentiated gonad, that means the reproductive organ, to become the testis. And in the absence of these genes, the gonad will develop into ovary. That means the individual will become a female. So let's take a look at the question. There is a family, shows the 6 members in a family. So for part A, what is the theoretical chance of the parent giving birth to a boy? And explain your answer. And in this question, genetic diagrams are not acceptable. So as what I mentioned, 50% is easy to say. However, how can you use the wordings to express your idea and without using the genetic diagram? So you can still recall the 4 steps scaffolding for the basic genetics. First of all, for the mothers, what is her genome? She has XX chromosome. And for the egg produced by the mother, they carry only X chromosome. On the other hand, for father, he has the XY chromosome. Therefore, for the sperms produced by the father, carry either X or Y chromosome. And the key idea is that, how can we know that there are 50% chance to give birth to a boy and 50% chance to give birth to a girl? Because the X chromosome containing sperm and Y chromosome containing sperm, they are equal in number. Therefore, each type of sperm have an equal chance to fuse with an ovum to produce a girl or a boy. So the key idea is these 2 sentences to show you that why the chance it is 50%. And then for part B, student A say that the chance of having a 5th male child is 50%. However, for the student B, it says that the chance should be nearly 100% because you can see that the first 4 child, they are already the male. So for the chance for the 5th child to be a boy is nearly 100%. We cannot say so. You should know that according to the concept of part A, student A is correct. Because the chance of each child being a boy is 50%, just like the chance of each child being a girl also 50%. And this chance is not related to the previous birth. It's like that what we learn in mathematics, they are the independent event. Just like we have the corn, we toss it, we have the head, we have the tail, they are the independent event. We cannot say that for the first 4 toes we have the head, and then for the last and then for the 5th toes we must have the tail. We cannot say that. We also cannot say that we have 100% to get a head. There is still 50% for male and a female. And for this diagram, it is the genetic diagram. If the question asks you to draw it, you can draw like this. For the father, XY chromosome, mother, double X chromosome, and for the gamete, for the father, he can produce 2 types of sperm containing X chromosome or Y chromosome in the same number. And then for the egg produced by the mother, all of them, they carry the X chromosome. Therefore, there are 50% to have a girl and 50% to have a boy. So you can see that in this diagram, it's not talking about the color blindness, sex linkage cases. We only focus on the sex determination.